Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna egg sandwich only way. Start by draining canned tuna and chopping boiled eggs. Mix with mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper until creamy. Spread the mixture on toasted bread, add lettuce or pickles if desired, press gently and slice. Serve warm or cold for a quick, protein-packed meal. This method locks in flavor and keeps cleanup easy, so you can make it any day of the week. Start by choosing quality ingredients with simple swaps for flavor. Use firm boiled eggs and good canned tuna. Pick water or oil based on taste. Add a teaspoon of mustard for tang and a pinch of salt and pepper to balance flavors. Chop celery or onion finely for crunch and fold gently to keep the filling fluffy. Toast bread for structure and enjoy a satisfying sandwich any time of day with minimal fuss. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum upgrades your clean game with voice control and smart mapping, so crumbs from your tuna egg sandwich vanish without lifting a finger. It feels like having a tiny kitchen helper while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep assembly simple and practical for the best sandwich. Toasting the bread prevents sogginess and adds a pleasant crunch that contrasts the creamy filling. Assemble the sandwich right before serving to keep textures fresh, and press gently to compact without squeezing out the filling. Cut diagonally for easier eating and a tidy presentation. Pair with a crisp side salad or chips for a quick meal that feels complete and comforting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.